Welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 5, Working with Windows OS, that is Windows Operating System. Content of this video is Introduction to Windows OS, what are the functions of OS, what are the versions of Windows. This is our Chapter 5. That is working with Windows operating system. So we have learned what is operating system. What is an operating system? An operating system is a system software that enables the hardware to communicate and operate with the software. So it is the interface between the user and the hardware. So as we know that operating system is the intermediate or the interface between the user and the hardware part. So what are the hardware parts? Hardware parts in the sense the peripheral devices, the mouse, monitor, keyboard, mouse, all the physical components of the hardware. So without the OS, we cannot use the physical components effectively. So we have learned what are the important functions of operating system in the 4th chapter. So these are the things we have learned in the 4th chapter. What are the things? Memory management, process management. What are the 4 algorithms in the process management? 4. That is first in, first out, SJ, shortest job first, then round robin, then based on higher priority, then device management, file management, security, file level security, system level security, network level security. So these things are the features of the operating systems. So the operating system, so a software can have 2 types. One is system software, another one is application software. This operating system is coming under the system software. Then hardware parts. So this operating system is the intermediate between the physical component and the user who is using the application software. So without installing the OS, we are not able to work with the application softwares. What are the application softwares? All the softwares which are able to see in our start button. All the softwares are application softwares. There are many operating systems. Among the operating system, what is the speciality of Windows? So every computer needs an operating system to function. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular GUI, that is graphical user interface. So multiple applications can execute simultaneously in Windows, and this is known as multitasking. So the important feature of Windows OS is one is GUI, another one is multitasking. Windows operating system uses both the keyboard and mouse as an input device. Mouse is used to interact with the Windows by clicking its icons. So mouse is an important input device. Keyboard is used to enter alphabets, numbers and special characters. Then what are the functions of Windows? Important functions of Windows OS. Access applications on the computer like word processing, games, spreadsheets, calculator and so on. Then load any new program. So easily we can install a new application program. Manage hardware such as printers, scanners, mouse, digital cameras, etc. There are many peripheral devices that can be connected with the OS. File management activities like creating, modifying or saving, deleting files and folders. Change computer settings. So computer settings can be changed. So we can easily change our screensavers. So these things, those who are using computer or those who are working with the computer at computer lab also very familiar with changing the background, wallpaper, everything. So main versions of Windows. First version is with the name of 1.x in the year 1985. And the GUI is 16-bit processor. So what is the meaning of 16-bit processor? A processor can execute a word with a length of 16 bits at a time. Mouse was introduced. 3 points are important. Then Windows 2.x. In the next version 2.x, what is the new thing? The 2.x with 2 years added, 85 plus 2, 87. Then supports to minimize or maximize windows. So we can minimize and maximize windows. Control panel features was introduced. Then 3.x 1992. Concept of multitasking. Supports 256 colors. Brought up with more modern and colorful look. Then Windows 95 in the year 1995. So by the version 95 itself you can remember the year 1995. Introduced a start button, taskbar, Windows Explorer and start menu. Then 32-bit processor. Then 98. So the year is 1998. Integration of the web browser, Internet Explorer with the operating system. So web browser, Internet Explorer. DOS gaming began to disappear as Windows-based games improved. So Windows-based games improved. Then plug and play. What is plug and play means? Just our USB, our pen drive, we can easily insert and remove it. That is plug and play method. Then Windows NT. The year is not mentioned. Designed to act as a servers in networks. So Windows NT is network technology. So it is designed to act as a servers in network. Then Windows Me 2000. So 2000 year it is labeled as Windows Me. Is introduced automated system diagnostics and recovery tools. So diagnostics and recovery tools are introduced in this year. Next, Windows 2000 Professional in the year of 2000. Served as an operating system for business. So for business. 4 versions of Windows 2000 was released. How many versions? 4 versions are introduced. Was released. One is Professional. Professional is for business. Server, both a web server as an office server. You will learn in detail what is web server and office server. Just have an idea. Server. Then advanced server for the line of business applications. Then data center server. Everything is connected with the networking. So these 4 versions are introduced. And then Windows XP in the year of 2001. Windows XP in 2001. 64-bit. Still we are having 64-bit. Improved Windows appearance with the themes and offered a stable version. Next, Windows Vista. Windows Vista in the year 2006. Even you can remember these icons. Updated the look and feel Windows. So look and feel, it may ask for one word. Then Windows 7 2009. Booting time was improved. Introduced a new user interfaces like Arabic, pinning programs to a taskbar, handwriting recognition, etc. and Internet Explorer 8. So booting time was introduced. Arrow pick many features. Pinning of programs to the taskbar. That means we can easily open application by just keeping the program in the taskbar. Then Windows 8 2012. Windows 8 is faster than previous versions of Windows. Start button was removed. Windows 8 takes better advantage of multi-core processing, solid-state drives, that is SSD, touch screens, important as touch screen, and other alternate input methods. Served as common platform for mobile and computer. Just like the mobile, touch screen was introduced in the computer also. Windows 10 2015. So start button was added again. Multiple desktop, central notification, center for app notification and quick actions, Cortana voice activated personal assistant like the Siri you are having in iPhone. So these are the difference between the versions, and these are the versions of Windows. It's an important 5-mark question. So with the mouse, which is an important input device, so point to an item. So easily you can select move the mouse on a icon to select. Move the mouse pointer over the item. Click, point to the item on the screen, press and release the left button. It's a 3-mark question. Right click, point to the item on the screen, press and release the right mouse button, that is right click. Clicking the right mouse button displays a pop-up menu with various options. Double click, point to the item on the screen, quickly press twice and quickly press twice the left mouse button. So this actions of mouse is a question for 3 mark. Versions of Windows is a question for 5 mark. It's easy, but it's a theoretical concept. Have the points in a noted method. Thank you. Have a good day. So we have learned the introduction, functions of Windows OS, versions of Windows.